So now my score is ready. So let's play this game. Here are all the instructions, and when I click on this start button, my game starts, and you can see that scoreboard is also incrementing. So let's see in this video how we can make the scoreboard. And at every 100 increment of 100 points, I'll get the magic spell sound. So what I did is I just created a sprite. So I'll just tell you how I did it. Clicked on T, the text tool. I have taken the black color. Then you just change the font as well. I have taken the pixel, which is for the game, and then you just start with 1. Okay, so this is what I did. I'll just show you very quickly because the video is going to be quite longer. So I have created 4 sprites for 4 digits, right? So I'll just show you one. So just imagine that this is for this one is for my first digit. So let's go to the costume. I'd already told that you just take the T and take the pixel and just type these letters. So you will create different costumes for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So again, I think I should tell you how I did it. So let's start with 1, and then I'm going to duplicate this and then click, type 2. You will rename them. You will rename them because this is as 1, this is as 2. Don't write the number 2, don't write the number 3, but you will write the spellings of that number. Okay, and make sure that they are in the sequence. Why I'm saying so? Because I have got so much of trouble, then I googled out what can be the solution for this. Do the way I'm telling you. Start with 1 and do up to 9, and then last should be 0. And when you name them, please write the letters of that number. Okay, I'll tell you why it is so. See, in the coding what I'm doing is that I'm just taking the costume of the letter 1 of score, means whatever the score is. If it is the first letter, means the first digit of the score is 5, so it is going to take 5, 5th place, right? I just take it out and I'll show you. You can see over here, right now it is taking 2 because at the first place we have 2. Okay, why I'm saying so, just to keep them in order and then name them like this, because what happens is when Scratch tries to match a costume with a variable, it first match the costume by its name, and if no costume matches with the name, so Scratch will try to match it with the position number. When my instructions are there, it should not be displayed, so I'm hiding them, and when the game starts it should be shown, right? Similarly, I have duplicated this, but for now this is same. Coding is little bit different. It is going to hide. See why I'm hiding it, because if I won't hide, what will happen? Let me do it with others also. If I remove this condition, so what will happen, that when I click on the flag, you can see that the score is only 27, but it is showing the other digits. So what I did is this, the second digit. So if my score is greater than second digit, means if it is 10 or more than 10. So if the score is greater than 9, then it should show the particular digit, otherwise it should hide it, right? Similarly, I will do this with other digits. This is for the second digit. If the score is greater than 9, then show the second letter of the score. This is for the first digit at 1's place. This is for the third digit at 100th place, and this is for the fourth digit at 1000th place, and this is for the third digit at 100th place. I have done a lot of adjustment over here because see, my score was not displayed when my instruction area is there. So for this I have changed when backdrop switches to blue sky. means this particular screen, only then the score should set to 0, and after 0.01 second the score should be incremented by 1. Okay, if you want it to be faster, you can put it as 0.001. It's all up to you. So this is basically all completed. So let's have a look at the code. Finally, this is only for this particular line. This is for the clouds. This is for the dino. We have to show and hide him, different backdrops, and then changing the costumes over here. Then when the backdrop switches to blue sky, if the score is greater than 99 and if it is divided by 100, then you will get the magic spell. I mean, this is what we have done for every 100 points. So 100, 200, 300 like this. If you want, you can change them as per your requirement. And this is, if this dino is going above 47, so it should decrement the value by 10. Like, I'll just show you. Like, if I double click and my dino keep on floating, but it will come down, right? This is to move it up and down, and when it jumps, it will play this sound. Next, this is the start button. It should be shown and hidden, and when this is clicked, my backdrop will switch to the blue sky where the game will start. This is for the cacti. If it is touched by the dino, the game is going to stop. This is to hide and show it, and score where it should be set to 0. This is also there. And this is for the movement of my cacti with the different costumes, which I have already told you in my previous videos, and these are the digits which are being displayed. You can make it better. I just given the idea how you can go for it. That's it, and in the next video let's meet and see how we can change this game into a mobile app. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestion, any problem, you can write in the comment section below. I will definitely get to it.